telling me we've been here once and still came back for more.
At least now we know what not to do.
Okay. That should disable the bomb.
Well, I certainly hope so, because I am getting sick and tired of getting blown up.
Right.
Okay, so now what?
We find out who hired those mercs to kill you. Money leads to a man named Anderson White.
Never heard of him.
It looks like he's been accused of not too many nice things. Money laundering, racketeering.
Doesn't explain why he wanted me dead.
That's what we're gonna find out. CEO of a company named Global Solutions. They have a warehouse down by the docks. Let's go.